Hello, engineers and creative minds. Waving hand today, we're about to take an exciting journey together, a journey that will transform your 2D drawings into 3D models, completely automated and hassle-free.
Let's go. Now, at the first, we have a lot of 2D AutoCAD drawings. Now for create level, we need to columns DWG and column to the drawings. In this sheet, as you can see, we have column, plan, location, and level of column at the structural levels. As you can see, from negative 40 meters to 44 meters. All of the level determined in columns elevation. In columns elevation, you see elevation all structural column, and you must control the highest level in column, in roof, and in paint, and upper roof levels. Note that this is about 45 meters on the ground or seismic level. Note that for the first, we open Excel and write this sheet and call the name sheet levels. In a column, we write name level, and in B column we write levels. In second row, from second row we write all of the level. From negative level to highest level. In this structural plan and elevation column, write written level by centimeters unit, but in Revit we work by millimeter unit. The story name from B4 to B1, and then GAF ground floor, and then story 1, story 2, story 3 to roof and upper roof and paint. This is paint level. and this is upper roof level. We use S3 1, S3 2 until S3 10. We rewrite S3 13 to paint and S3 12 to upper roof and S3 11 to roof. Now we write level based on millimeters unit. For the second floor, negative 97.50 and then negative 450 and another level 54 and then we write all of the level. Note that please in the SCR plan unit based on centimeters, and we use millimeter unit in Excel to send this level to Dynamo and Revit. After based on step by step, by study, we write we write all of the level story by story, and we write paint level and save